Hola amigos, welcome to my channel Sanchu Vlogs. So 2020, such a fancy number, right? Yes. You and I plan to go to different places, make beautiful memories, and there are some who finally made their plan successful to go to Goa. But year 2020 had some other plans for us. Yes, the coronavirus, which is a global pandemic, has made even our routine life so stressful. This year is especially painful for those who had made travel plans and had to cancel them in the last minute and are working from home. Are you sincerely working from home? Tell me in the comments below. But once, when the world comes back to normalcy and we all are allowed to travel again, the first priority that we as travelers give is to a place which is safe and hygiene. Yes, maybe it is a local, domestic, or international destination. The first priority always goes to safety and hygiene. So, in this context, I am going to share with you my travel experience in the beautiful country of Singapore. This travel experience is going to be released as a series of episodes, so make sure you watch all of them to know why Singapore is so special. Let's get started. Boarding the early morning flight from Chennai and witnessing the most spectacular sunrise, we finally reached Singapore. We traveled to Singapore in the first week of February, exactly a week after the Chinese New Year. And by the time we reached Singapore, there were 18 positive corona cases. It was a bit scary, but that didn't stop us from going to Singapore. Or at least there was no restrictions back then. We took a budget accommodation in Taiho Hotel in Little India, which is also very close to Mustafa Center. Mustafa Center is a 24 by 7, 365 days running A to Z shop. You can get literally everything here. The reason why we chose this hotel was because it's very close to MRT station, bus stop, and many Indian restaurants, so we had no problem with the food there. Another reason why I love Singapore is the law here is so strict even for the smallest of crimes against women. So, ladies, you can come here without any fear. And by the way, this video was taken at 3 in the morning. So, you can just see how safe it is, and you can see how many people are going even at this time. After having our breakfast, we boarded the bus to National Museum of Singapore. My suggestion is that you travel in buses or MRT to feel like a local and to see the true Singapore. The National Museum of Singapore is the nation's oldest museum, and it has many interesting and inspirational collectibles of the pre-independence and post-independence Singapore. I highly recommend you to come and visit this museum and spend a minimum of 5 hours to understand the beautiful history of Singapore. After our lunch, we wanted to have some relaxing time, so we went to the Singapore Botanical Gardens. Singapore Botanical Gardens is so huge that I suggest you that you come as early as possible. The garden is open from 5:30 in the morning till late in the evenings. We just went for a small walk and lazed around there for about 2 to 3 hours, and I would say it was such a beautiful experience. I think I would never fall in love with a garden this much. It was so good. Our next destination was Ion Mall, located in Orchard Road. Ion Mall is the largest mall present in that street when compared to probably 30 other malls. Yes, this is a shopper's paradise, And if you're a shopaholic, you should come here first. You will also find many top-notch international brands in that entire street. And if you're here, don't forget to have the ice cream sandwich which is sold right outside the Ion Mall. It's so tasty. That's all for today's episode. Hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. For my next episode, I will be sharing with you my thrilling experience in Universal Studios. We also got a chance to meet the most favorite movie character here. Keep guessing who that is. Until then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.